The Radio Flyer Deluxe All-Terrain Family Wagon is designed with air tires for a smooth ride and a UV blocking canopy for sun protection. With features that make it a very versatile wagon, there is endless fun. The 5 seating and storage options include 1. Seating for 2, flatbed, 3. Covered storage and ride, 4. Activity surface, and 5. XL storage and ride. The wagon also features seat belts for safety, child and adult cup holders, and a fold-over handle for easy storage. For ages 1.5+ years. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 10 inches all-terrain rubber air tires. The rugged all-terrain rubber air tires provide a smooth ride on any terrain. The air tires are 10 inches in diameter and are perfect for hauling both toddlers and cargo. Number 2. Versatile folding seats. The Deluxe All-Terrain Family Wagon has patented 5-way folding seats. The versatile seats provide 5 storage and seating options. Number 3. Storage capacity. The wagon features 4 cup holders, 2 for children and 2 for adults. With a weight capacity of 200 pounds. This wagon can haul it all, including coolers, chairs, diaper bags, sports equipment, and more. Number 4. Safe for kids. The seats feature 2 seat belts for added safety and the UV protection canopy protects your little ones from the sun. The plastic body is also easily wiped clean. Number 5. Specifications. Assembled dimensions are 41.5 inches length by 21.75, width by 13.75, height. Recommended for kids 1.5+ years. Maximum weight capacity 200 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.